intelligence agencies and Islamabad police to surveil social media against injurious material in violation of law. On the same pattern, arrangements may be made in the provinces. Next para. Commission observed that Lieutenant General retired Faiz Hamid, the then Major General DGC ISI, on behalf of security establishment had to sign the agreement as a mediator between two parties, which was with the permission of DG ISI and COAS. This was also concurred by then Interior Minister SN Iqbal and PM. Involvement of Army or its affiliated agency in pure civilian matters adversely affects the fair image of the institution. Army is a sacred arm of the state, therefore to avoid criticism, the institution may not be involved in public matters. This task may be assigned to IB and civil administration. With this, not only the confidence level of the civilian setup will be built, but also political and other opinion leaders will take them seriously.
Why is he going out of the way to mention and then exonerate this gentleman? Why the need? If we may have constituted another commission to exonerate General Faiz, then he could have written all this thing. Why is he mentioning him at every given juncture? The question is it your job or not? Whether I give, it's like saying that the Chief Justice gave permission to his tenor to issue the judgment. But the question is, did he have the authority or not?
While responding to the TORs where they had to fix responsibility, तो वहाँ पे नहीं fix की है. वहाँ पे तो IG पंजाब का ही सिर्फ जिक्र किया था. वहाँ पे अगर responsibility fix नहीं की है तो recommendation में it's counterintuitive. It doesn't make sense. अगर आपने वहाँ पे नहीं किया तो यहाँ क्यों कह रहे हैं?
What does he mean by army is a sacred arm of the state? What does this even mean? Is it constitutional language? Is it legal language? Army is part of the federal government under the Ministry of Defense. What is the sacred arm of the state? मतलब ये तो लग रहा है इन काम पर हैं. क्या हो रहा है इनको मेंबरों को? Sacred arm of the state, भाई. Why is the judiciary less sacred? The parliament less sacred? I'm really surprised at this level of officer. कौन से grade के थे ये लोग?
They were two former inspector generals of police.
Grade what? 21, 20 क्या होता है?
So I think both of them retired in BS 21. They did serve as IGs but retired in BS 21.
Very good. हम तो उनको दूर रख रहे हैं, तो फिर एक तरफ आप उनको exonerate भी कर रहे हो, दूसरी तरफ आप कह रहे हो इधर they contradict itself. It should be kept away from purely civilian matters. Fully agree. Then why did they sign it? Simple सी बात है, चाहे वो जो मर्जी जो उनको permission दे दे. लोगे जी मतलब what difference does giving a permission mean? Was there permission given in writing? कोई उन्हें सवाल पूछा उनसे?
There is nothing there in the statement of General Faiz which reflects whether there was a statement where permission was granted in writing. He responded and they accepted it.
And the whole nation had its eyes fixed on this, and this is what they produce. What does this mean? Next one. Intelligence Bureau being the erstwhile agency.
In coordination with civil administration and police may be given lead role in matters of internal security having repercussions on public order.
Okay. Who's stopping them?
Punjab government's role in keeping themselves away from the issue and letting the protesters of TLYRA enter Islamabad without any resistance due to fear of threats to their lives and apprehension of losing their vote bank could not be appreciated. This was
they be resisted. If someone wants to come to Islamabad to protest, can you stop him? Unless he's coming with guns and axes, वो तो एक अलग बात है.
Well, and it's kind of interesting. They say that there were fear of threats to their lives and then apprehension of losing their vote bank. I don't know how this was figured out, but this was omission of duty to enforce law, not only a misconduct, but also violation of the oath of the public.
Where did they get this bit about fear of losing of their vote bank? ये कहाँ से मिला उनको?
I have no idea because there were two statements.
Did they call the TLP Did they call
not even
the political parties concerned कि आपको खौफ था वोट बैंक आपका कम हो जाए, तो किस बेसिस पे स्टेटमेंट्स दे रहे हैं
ये किसी ने भी अपनी स्टेटमेंट पे, as far as I have read, किसी
political leader ने ये नहीं charged political document which seems to be put forward to settle some personal scores or vendettas and to exonerate people. It hasn't done a stroke of work. Not even one term of reference has been done, complied with. आपको सियासत करना है, आप उतर जाए मैदान सियासत में, फिर ये एक्सरसाइज मत लें. आगे पढ़ें.
25. All those not found truthful, professional, remaining indifferent and failing to properly advise the government to handle the situation well in time had ceased to be efficient. Therefore, their acts amounted to misconduct.
Who are all those? बता दो ना. All those not found truthful.
So ये बागे कुछ एक दो examples दे रहे हैं sir. For instance, the former Inspector General Mr. Arif Nawaz's assertion that Islamabad police did not share the operation plan and the reports of the IB were not shared were negated by evidence on record. Mr. Chaudhry Nadeem, Commissioner Rawalpindi, and Mr. Israr, city police officer, stated that they participated in the meeting presided over by the Commissioner Islamabad, that should be Chief Commissioner, where decision to carry out the operation on 25th November was taken. I don't understand this either, sir.
Ji.
Contingency plans, in particular of Punjab Police, for dealing with such situations were found wanting for improvement. Moreover, the system of intelligence gathering was also not adequate. The Commission recommends that a thorough exercise may be conducted for devising contingency plans to deal with such situations in the twin cities. The Commission also observed that there is no statute to regulate the working of intelligence agencies. Therefore, necessary legislation followed by rules and standing operating procedures may be done.
ये तो हमने डायरेक्शन आपको दिया था, ये हमारे जजमेंट में है.
जजमेंट में दिया हुआ सर. वो तो.
Why are you not doing it?
My lord, has to be done. There is a judgment since 2019.
Has to be done. Thank you very much.
Parliament.
Why is it not being done?
My lord, the federal government must place an official bill before the Parliament. There is no excuse for that. I think the successive federal governments, since the judgment was rendered, been under duty. The Commission also observed weak command and control at the senior level. The basic reason behind this is that balance is not observed in matters of promotions, postings and transfers of the officers. Considerations of service